Hello again. Supposing you want to make an animation involving moon, earth and the sun, and they are in that order on the screen. Supposing you want to make the earth orbit the sun. Let's see how you do it. Put the moon aside. Okay, now if you take the earth, alright, earth, starting from there, go this way above the sun, and then when it orbits, it has to go behind the sun, but it's not going now. But during the animation, you can't change this one, this level. So there is another way of doing it. Go to the Z depth. Here now the Z depth is 0 for moon, earth, sun as well. So that means they are all on this plane. Even the sky itself is 0. Now when the earth go back, now is going over it again, but we don't want that. So what we do is earth, go to this Z depth, make it 1. See, that number is actually 0 means in the same plane of the screen. 1 means it's gone behind what is on top, just one level. So it's going to go behind the sun. So you orbit, you come back and then go back again. It's going behind again. So what you have to do is, once you come here, make it 0 again. So now you go on top. But then again it's going to be on top. So you have to, put a keyframe there and another keyframe there. So it will stay behind when you come back and on top when you go this way. Let's make everything 0 again. Yeah, they're all 0 now. Okay, now you want a solar eclipse. If you want to make a solar eclipse, then the moon goes between sun and the earth. Now everything's 0, so it's in that order. Moon on top, top of everything, earth next, and sun. So you want to put a moon between the sun and earth. So go to moon's Z depth, 1. That is. And lunar eclipse, earth goes between sun and moon. So what you do is earth Z depth 1, but moon is still above earth. So we have to get moon behind earth. So get the moon Z depth 2. Yeah, that is. And that's it. And I tried it with a sun orbit and just a makeshift earth, and yeah, it works. Now let's make the earth a bit more realistic. As you can see, I have the same sky behind, and earth, which is just a region layer and an outline layer. Map, as you can see, is a series of maps. It's the same map, put next to each other. Okay, now what you do is, see the earth got 2 layers inside, outline and the region, and bring the map in the earth group between the outline layer and the region layer, and change the blend method of map to onto, and you get this, an earth. And bring the map to the end. See, you see I changed the blend method to composite again because I can see what's happening. Right, now the earth actually a bit tilted, 24 degrees, something like that. So what you do is go to the map, transformation, minus 24, and then it's tilting the right way. Now animation. So make a keyframe, change onto. Now animation. I already showed you how to do the orbit around the sun, front and behind. So I'll just show the illusion of how to make the Earth spin. Right? So at 0 second is like that, and 5 seconds. There. And group it. Say the Earth goes from there to there. But actually, you are going to do the whole orbit. So just have a quick look what's happening. So we go back and play. Yeah, see? Now make a sun and put the Earth on a starting position and render it. The braking movement of Earth depends on how fast it orbits the sun. The faster it orbits the sun, the smoother it spins, because all these clips have the same number of days. And as you can see, there is a flaw in this area. That's where we change the Z depth. That's because when the Earth goes from left to right, we do this, and on the way back we reverse the strip of maps. And this is the point where we change the Z depth. So spend some time and get it right. And that's about it. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.